Which walking treadmill under your desk is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, ViaMotion Walking Pad. First up is the ViaMotion Walking Pad. Priced at just $116.33, this model caught my eye for its adjustable incline feature and sturdy handlebar. If you want safety and efficiency while you walk, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ViaMotion has a 4-degree adjustable incline that can help you burn more calories while walking. It also boasts a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 mph, which gives you flexibility depending on how intense you want your workout to be. Plus, the LED display tracks your duration, distance, speed, and calories burned, so you can see your progress in real time. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews and over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it's safe to say this one is popular. Now, some people complained about the foldable design being a bit bulky when stored. Here's the thing though, if you're tight on space, this could be a minor inconvenience, but the benefits of using it far outweigh this drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable option that's easy to store and helps you stay active while working. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced tech features like Bluetooth speakers or app connectivity. Overall, it gives you solid value for your money. Now, if the ViaMotion's storage issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with some extra features. Product number 2, Treadmill Walking Pad. Next is the Treadmill Walking Pad, priced at $296. This one stood out due to its impressive 12% auto incline and capacity to support up to 450 pounds. If you're serious about your workouts, this one could be your best bet. The auto incline feature adjusts to 6 degrees, which simulates walking uphill and burns more calories effectively. With a 4.7-star rating from 1,900 reviews, it seems to be making waves in the market. Now, some users mentioned that the initial setup could be a bit complicated. But honestly, once you get past that, the performance is worth it for anyone looking to step up their walking routine. This is perfect for you if you want a treadmill that offers an immersive experience with incline options and Bluetooth capabilities. Skip this if you're looking for something more basic without the extra bells and whistles. It's a solid investment for those serious about fitness. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone looking for a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Buzztrio Walking Pad. Coming in at just $99.98, we have the Buzztrio Walking Pad. This compact model immediately caught my attention for its affordability and simple design. If you want something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one is worth a look. What's impressive about the Buzztrio is its speed range of 0.6 to 4 mph, which allows you to customize your workout intensity based on your comfort level. It features a shock-absorbing belt that protects your joints while you walk, making it a great option for longer sessions. With a solid 4.8-star rating from over 546 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among budget-conscious buyers. Now, some users pointed out that the remote control can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a straightforward treadmill to use while you work, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, reliable treadmill without too many complicated features. Skip this one if you're after advanced functionalities or higher weight limits. Honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and features, the next product might be more up your alley. Product number 4, FOUSAE Walking Pad. Fourth on our list is the FOUSAE Walking Pad, which is priced at $159.99. This treadmill grabbed my attention with its 10% incline and powerful 2.75 HP motor. If you're aiming for a more intense workout experience, this one is definitely worth considering. The FOUSAE features 12 HIIT programs that can significantly optimize your workout sessions. It operates quietly at under 40 dB, so you can exercise without disturbing anyone around you. This model has a solid 4.5-star rating from 512 reviews, showing it's well regarded in the fitness community. Now, some users mentioned it could be a bit heavy to move around. But I'll be real with you, the stability and performance you get from this treadmill makes it worth the extra weight. This is perfect for you if you want a treadmill that supports various workout types and offers excellent durability. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and easy to transport. For its features and performance, it's a great value. Now, if you want something even more compact, our final option might just be what you need. Product number 5, Yagud Walking Pad. Last but not least, we have the Yagud Walking Pad at the price of $99.97. This caught my eye for its compact design and user-friendly features. If you want a treadmill that gets straight to the point without extra fluff, this is worth a look. The Yagud features a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 mph and a simple LED display that shows all your essential stats. It's lightweight and easy to move, making it perfect for small spaces. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clearly resonating with users looking for practicality in their workouts. Now, some users have mentioned it struggles a bit with higher weights. But here's the deal, if you're under the weight limit of 220 pounds, this shouldn't be an issue for you at all. This is perfect for you if you need an economical, no-nonsense treadmill for light walking. Skip this if you're heavier or looking for a more robust machine. It's a fantastic value for anyone needing a compact solution. So there you have it. Each of these walking treadmills offers unique benefits that cater to different needs and budgets. To wrap it all up, we have the ViaMotion for adjustable support, TrailViber for incline workouts, Buzztrio for budget-friendly options, FOUSAE for advanced features, and Yagud for simplicity and compactness. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be a great fit for your workspace or home. So which one will you choose?